Hi friends, I am Madhialagan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications. So today we have using the black box testings. So black box testing, it is the view of the input value, black box testing and output and requirement of specifications. So test cases. So it is the called an black box testings. So definition and objectivity of the black box testing, it's a type of the software testing where the internal working of the systems being tested are not known as the tester. The tester only has access to the input and output of the system, and it's not concurrent with the implementation detail. The focus of the black box testing is on verifying that the system behaves as expected and meet the requirement rather than it is the internal working. The objective of the black box testing is to verify the first one is the verify the system behave as expected. The tester input data into the system and verify the output of meet the specified requirement on behalf of the expected. Ensure that the system meet its requirement. Black box testing help to the confirm that the system meet its requirement and that the requirement are correctly implemented. Third one is the identity the defect and bugs. So by inputting the various data into the systems, black box testing can help to identify the defect and bugs that may not have been discovered otherwise. So fourth one is the validated the functionality of the system. Black box testing is a help to the validate the functionality of the system by verifying the input and output of the correct and the systems because of the expected. So fifth one is the ensure that the system is a user friendly. Black box testing is the can help to the ensure that the system is user friendly by verifying that the input and output are the easily to understand the disk. So sixth one is the increase the confidence is the system correctness by the verifying that the system meet its requirement and behave as expected. Black box testings can increase the confidence is the system correctness. So black box testing, it is the operations, revisions and transitions. So black box testing is the various types. The black box tests are the classified into the three groups. So first one is the operations factor testing classes. Second one is the revision factor testing classes. Third one is the transition factor testing classes. So this three type of variation types of black box testing is the classified. So operation factor. So operation factor testing is classified into the output corrections test. In most cases, the class of the test consume the largest bit of the testing resources. So documentation test for the correctness of the test and then availability. So availability reaction time and test for correctness. It is the reliability tests. So there are the operation factors testing classified this type of tests. So first one is the output correction test. So second one is the documentation test. Third one is the availability test. Fourth one is the reliability test. So this type of we have a use. So next one is the stress test. It is the load test, durability test for the efficiency. So software system security test and training usability test for the usability. So operational usability test for the usability. So this type of testing we have available for the testing cases. So next one is the revision factor testing classes include. So first one is the maintainability test. Second one is the flexibility test. Third one is the testability test. So this is the three type of we have used for the revision factor testing. It is the mostly important of this type of factors. So revision factors testings classified include the maintainability test, flexibility test, and testability test. So transition factor. So transition factor testing classified include the four type of testings. So first one is the portability test. Second one is the reusability test. Third one is the software interfacing testers for interoperability. Fourth one is the equipment interfacing test. So for the interoperability. So this type of testings we have used in black box testing. Thank you.